Hello! Thank you for clicking on this video. I am very excited because this package clearly went through the ringer. It came over to the US of A from Germany, and I've been expecting it for a hot minute, and it finally arrived today, and I'm so stoked because there is supposed to be some good stuff in here that I am looking forward to sharing with you guys. So let's see what is in the card protecting game for us today. Sharp pointy thing goes put away. Woo! Okay, we have a Pot of Greed deck box. Very nice. My Pearly deck, I keep in this because we all like drawing free cards, cough. And then we have this is the Yuchida's Wrath box. Very nice. We'd have to do an opening of that individually. And then for border, oh yes, we got the Dark World border sleeves. We have the Yugioh border sleeves. We have the Toon World border sleeves. I'm very excited about these. These are, wait, did I get? Okay, we got am I losing them out here? Oh, I'm blind as a bat. This is Dark World. This is Labyrinth, which is perfect because that's the other deck I've got going on right now. Okay, and then we have the Fire border sleeves. Very good for this format. Ooh! And then we've got our buddies. We got BLS and we got our Chaos Emperor Dragon. Yes! Okay, main deck sleeves. Awesome. And then, yes, thank you guys. We got the Millennium border sleeves. These look so good. And these are going to look so good with the pack deck box. If you have not seen that, oh, it's going to match so nice. We got the classic Yu-Gi-Oh look. And then, let's see what's in here. Last but not least, oh, it's the Chaos playmat. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I wish you guys could feel this through the screen. So we've got BLS again. Here, let's set this down. We've got BLS and Chaos Emperor Dragon on this lovely black cloth playmat. Oh, that looks so good. I wish you guys could feel this through the screen. Like, it could double as a blanket. And then a nice classic border with the middle. And then we've got Chaos Emperor on this side. Oh, I need to clean my desk before doing this, clearly. Oh my gosh. That looks so nice. And just the classy red on black. I like it. Side note, I meant to share this story sooner, but I keep forgetting. So the branded playmat that I have is the one I've been using lately. Actually, I've got it right here. Story time real quick. So I was re-sleeving some stuff the other day. And by the other day, I mean like a month ago, because I meant to share this story sooner. And I was doing it on this cloth playmat. And I am an irresponsible adult, and I just keep glasses unsealed off to the side where I am working. And one of them one day had a kind of rosy peach colored liquid in it, and I knocked it over, and it went whoa, and it was like a slow-mo, my heart dropped into my stomach moment where the liquid like moved in and my cards were here, like my deck box was here and my cards were here, and they were like sleeved, and I was like in the process of re-sleeving them, and the liquid just and it landed on this playmat. Again, this was like a red peach color, and it like moved across, and at first, to my sheer delight, it just bubbled on the surface. Like it didn't start sinking in right away like it would for a standard cloth block mat. And I was like, okay, good. And I ran and grabbed the paper. I moved all the cards out of the way. I grabbed the ones that had gotten splashed on, which were thankfully sleeved. And I ran to the kitchen, I grabbed the paper towels, and I ran back, and I started dabbing it, and my heart just broke, because here I have this lovely light gray playmat, and poor Cartesia had just been obliterated with, like, a pink stain, and I was just like, well, dang it. So I blotched out as much as I could, and then I put the laundry on cold wash, because we don't want to set the stain. Cold wash, guys. And I threw it into the washing machine right away. And look at this. White. Whiter than any person with cat should have, the cat owner's property should ever be. Look how white. It came right out. So props to SleeveChief. I don't know if they tested the laundering ability of their playmats or not, but I had a very positive experience. My cards were fine. I just tossed the sticky sleeves. The cards thankfully were safe. This is why we double sleeve, guys. Only the outer sleeves were affected. The inner sleeves were fine. The cards were fine. That's why we double sleeve. And make sure when you're double sleeving, I'll just pop one of these open so you can see it. Labyrinth, yeah, when you're double sleeving, Labyrinth, where are you at? Here you are. It is, Imperium. We love them too. When you're double sleeving, you're going to want to make sure. I'm so glad you guys sent these. I'm going to use these on my Labyrinth deck. Your top needs to be open. Sorry, this became a mini lesson. Your bottom needs to be, and then they go in, and you just plop the air out. And that way, if you are a dum-dum like me and have open drinks next to you and they spill, your cards are safe. Anyway, thank you for tuning into this little TED Talk. All right, I got a little distracted there, but like I said, I've been meaning to share this for a while. So now we have done that. Thank you so much, SleeveChief, for sending this awesome product. I will do a separate opening just for this to feature the deck backs. And thank you again for the Pot of Greed. We will, I'm gonna have to choose now which one of these I'm playing on at locals. This is gorgeous. I don't know, this one matches my nails right now. We might go with that one. Thank you guys. I hope you all will check them out. If you are interested in any of these products or any of the other products they have recently dropped, there's an affiliate link in my bio on Instagram or in the description of the YouTube videos I upload. And the code ART5, ART5, will save you a little bit off your purchase. And for the chaos stuff specifically, all of the chaos things they have a special bundle for, which is a slightly more discounted price than if you were to buy the items individually. And the bundle price does also stack with the discount code, so you can get a little more off on top. So anyway, thank you for watching. That's all I have, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye! And box check. Does it get the seal of approval? I think it does. Thanks, SleeveChief.